Yo, this is Major from Ada's Dream, and today we are going to be talking about tips for making a stronger candle and improving your hot throw. Let's go. All right, Major from Ada's Dream. We back and we ready for action. And today, of course, we're talking about the tips for making a better, stronger candle and how to increase the chances of you having a good hot throw. But before we get started, please do me a favor. Hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep bringing you exclusive content in the candles business. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can keep getting alerts every time I upload a video for you to learn from. And today we have 6 different topics for this discussion. We're going to go over 1, we're going to go over the type of wax. 2, we're going to go over choosing the proper oils. 3, we're going to go over using too much or too little fragrance oil. 4, we're going to go over how you choose the right wick. And 5, we're going to go over using certain additives inside of your candles. And 6, we're going to go over curing candles. Let's get into it. Number 1, the type of wax. When it comes to achieving the best hot throwing candles, the choice of candle wax plays a crucial role. Among the various options available, soy wax or a blend of soy and paraffin wax is often recommended. Soy wax has gained its popularity due to its lower melting point and ability to release fragrance effectively when burned. This means that soy wax candles can produce a stronger and more noticeable scent when compared to other types of wax. Additionally, soy wax is known for its clean burn, long-lasting performance, and eco-friendly qualities. So if you're looking for a candle wax that will give you the best hot throw, soy wax or a soy paraffin blend is definitely worth considering, guys. Furthermore, one reason why soy wax candles are considered to have a more noticeable scent is because soy wax has a lower melting point compared to other waxes such as a paraffin or beeswax. This means that soy wax candles tend to melt at a lower temperature, allowing the fragrance oils to be released into the air more quickly. Additionally, soy wax has a natural ability to hold on to and release fragrance oils effectively. It has a pore structure that helps to trap and retain scent molecules, resulting in stronger and longer lasting fragrance throw when the candle is burned. Soy wax candles are often made using natural, plant-based ingredients, which can enhance the scent experience. The natural composition of soy wax allows for a cleaner burn, reducing the amount of soot and smoke produced. This means that the scent of the candle is not masked or diluted by any unwanted byproducts, allowing it to be more easily detected by your senses. Overall, the combination of the lower melting point, the ability to hold onto fragrance oils, and the clean burn of soy wax all contribute to the perception of a more noticeable scent compared to other types of wax. Number 2, choosing the proper oils. Choosing the proper oils for candles is an important aspect of the candle making experience. The right choice of candle oils can greatly enhance the scent throw and overall quality of the candle. Here are some key factors I want you guys to consider when selecting oils for your candles. First, it is essential to choose high quality fragrance oils specifically designed for candle making. These oils are specifically formulated to withstand the heat of the melting wax and provide a strong and long-lasting scent. Look for oils that are labeled as candle safe or candle fragrance oils to ensure they are suitable for use in your candles. Next, consider the scent profile you want to achieve. Whether you prefer floral, fruity, woody, or fresh scents, there is a wide range of fragrance oils available to cater to different preferences. Experiment with the different oil combinations to create a unique and appealing scent blend. It is also important to note that some fragrance oils may be stronger or more potent than others, so adjust the amount according to avoid overpowering the candle's aroma. Furthermore, consider the compatibility of the fragrance oils with the type of wax you're using. Certain oils may perform better with soy wax, while others may be more suitable for a paraffin or beeswax. Testing the compatibility of the oils and making sure before making a large batch is always recommended to ensure optimal scent throw and performance. Additionally, take into account any potential allergies or sensitivities that people may have to certain oils. Some individuals may be allergic to specific scents, so it is crucial to provide clear labeling and information about the ingredients used in your candles. Lastly, research reputable suppliers of fragrance oils and read reviews from other candle makers to ensure you are purchasing oils of good quality. Quality oils not only provide a better scent throw, but also promote a cleaner and longer lasting burn. Choosing the proper oils for candles involves considering factors such as the quality of the oils, the desired scent profile compatibility with the wax, potential allergies, and supplier reliability. Taking these aspects into account will help you create candles that emit delightful and long-lasting aromas, enhancing the overall experience for candle enthusiasts. Number 3, too much or too little fragrance oil. Adding too much or too little fragrance oil in your candles can have negative effects on the final product. If too much fragrance oil is added, it could overwhelm the candle's scent and potentially cause problems during the burning process. The excess oil can lead to a stronger and more intense scent that may become overpowering when the candle is lit. Additionally, an excessive amount of fragrance oil can cause the candle to burn improperly, resulting in uneven, melting, smoking, and potentially even a wick clogging. On the other hand, adding too little fragrance oil can result in a weak, barely noticeable scent. This can be disappointing for your customers who are expecting a pleasant aroma when they burn the candle. The purpose of using fragrance oil is to enhance the overall experience and create a certain ambience. So if the scent is too weak, it may not fulfill its intended purpose. Finding the right balance of fragrance oil is crucial for achieving the desired scent intensity and clean burning candle. It is recommended to follow the recommended usage rate provided by the fragrance oil manufacturer. These guidelines typically suggest a specific percentage of fragrance oil to be used based on the weight of the wax being used. Adhering to these recommendations will help ensure that the candle emits a pleasant and unbalanced aroma without any negative consequences. Carefully measuring and adding the appropriate amount of fragrance oil is important for candle makers to achieve the desired scent level and avoid potential issues. It is always better to start with a smaller amount of fragrance oil and gradually increase if needed. And it is easier to add more fragrance oil than to remove any excessive amount. By adding the right balance, candle enthusiasts can enjoy a well-scented and properly functioning candle. Yes, there are some general guidelines and recommendations for achieving the perfect balance of fragrance oil in candles. I'm going to give you guys some extra tips to go along with this. Follow the recommended fragrance oil concentration. Most fragrance oil manufacturers provide a recommended usage rate for candles. It's important to follow these guidelines to ensure safety and optimal scent throw. Typically, the recommended usage rate is 6 to 10% fragrance oil by the total weight of the wax. Use a digital scale for accurate measurements. To achieve consistency in your candle making, it is best to use a digital scale to measure both the wax and fragrance oil. This will ensure precise measurements and help you maintain a balanced fragrance concentration. Test small batches. Before making a large batch of candles, it is always a good idea to test a small batch first. This will allow you to experiment with different fragrance concentrations and tweak the formula until you achieve the desired scent level. Keep detailed notes of your experiments, including the amount of fragrance oil used to replicate successful results in larger batches. Consider the type of wax used. Different types of wax have different absorption rates for fragrance oils. Soil wax, for example, tends to hold on to fragrance oils better than paraffin wax. Be aware of the wax you're using and adjust the fragrance concentration accordingly. Consider the size and type of candle container. The size and type of candle container can also impact the strength of the fragrance. A smaller container may require less fragrance oil, while a larger container may need more. Additionally, the type of wax used, such as soy or beeswax, can affect how the fragrance is dispersed. Remember, it's always better to start with a smaller amount of fragrance oil and gradually increase if needed. This way you can avoid overpowering or potentially unsafe candles. Experimentation and testing will help you find the perfect balance for your candles. Choosing the right wick for your candles is crucial in ensuring a clean and even burn. Different wicks have varying characteristics that can affect the overall performance of your candles. Let's explore some of the popular options. Number 1, cotton wicks. They are the most commonly used wicks and provide a steady and clean burn. They come in different thickness to accommodate various candle sizes. Cotton wicks are great for soy and beeswax candles. Number 2, wood wicks. If you want to add a touch of uniqueness to your candles, wood wicks are a great choice. They create a rustic and crackling ambience when lit. Wood wicks work well with soy and coconut wax candles. 3, zinc core wicks. These wicks are known for their stability and ability to perform well in pillar and container candles. The zinc core helps prevent mushrooming and soot buildup while providing a consistent burn. Number 4, HTP wicks. High temperature paper wicks are specifically designed for paraffin-based candles. They are ideal for achieving a strong fragrance and a throw and maintaining an even melt pool. 5, ribbon wicks. Ribbon wicks have a flat ribbon-like shape that provides an aesthetically pleasing appearance. They work best in wider containers and produce a wide flame that evenly burns the wax. Number 6, hemp wicks. Eco-friendly, sustainable hemp wicks are made from natural fibers. They burn slowly and produce minimal soot. Hemp wicks are great for natural and organic candles. Always remember to follow the wick manufacturer's recommendations for proper trimming and maintenance. It is essential to choose a wick that suits your candle type, size, and desired burn characteristics. Experimenting with different wicks will help you achieve the perfect burn and enhance your candle making experience. Number 5, using additives in your candles. Adding additives to candles can enhance their appearance, scent, and performance. There are various types of additives that can be used in candle making, each with its own purpose and benefits. Of course, the main common additive, fragrance oil, which adds a pleasant scent to the candle. Fragrance oils come in a wide range of options, allowing you to create candles with different aromas. When using fragrance oil, it is important to follow the recommended usage rate to ensure that the scent is not overpowering and to avoid any negative effects on the candle's performance. Colors are another popular additive that can be used to give candles a vibrant and attractive appearance. Dyes or pigments can be added to the wax to create candles in different colors or even to achieve interesting effects such as swirls or layers. However, it is important to use colorants specifically made for candle making to ensure they are safe and do not affect the candle's performance. Some additives can also improve the burning characteristics of candles. For example, stearic acid can be added to increase the candle's hardness and improve its burn time. This is especially useful when making pillar candles or taper candles. Beeswax is another additive that can enhance the burn quality of candles, creating a longer lasting and cleaner burn. Additionally, there are additives available to improve the appearance and performance of container candles. For instance, a UV inhibitor can be added to prevent fading and discoloration caused by exposure to sunlight. Another example is a glass adhesive promoter, which helps the wax adhere better to the container, reducing the risk of tunneling or uneven burning. When using additives in candles, it is important to follow safety guidelines and instructions provided by the manufacturer. Some additives require specific temperatures or mixing ratios for optimal results. It's also essential to test your candles before selling or gifting them to ensure that additives perform as expected and do not compromise the overall quality of the candle. Using additives in candles can be a great way to enhance their appearance, scent, and performance. Whether it's fragrance oils, colorants, or other additives, experimenting with different options can help you create unique and appealing candles that provide a delightful experience for yourself and others. Number 6, curing candles. Curing your candles is an essential step in the candle making process that allows the wax and the additives to fully bond and develop their optimal scent throw and performance. Once you have poured your candle and allowed it to cool and solidify, it is important to let it cure for a certain period of time before you light it. This curing time can vary depending on the type of wax and additives used in your candle. During the curing process, the wax undergoes a chemical reaction known as polymerization, where the molecules bond together and harden. This process ensures that the candle will burn evenly and release its fragrance effectively when lit. Curing also helps to eliminate excess moisture present in the wax, which can affect the way the wax burns and diminish its scent throw. By allowing the candle to cure, you are giving it time to fully dry out and reach its optimal performance. The length of the curing time can vary, but it's generally recommended to let your candles cure for at least 2 to 4 days. However, some types of wax may require longer curing periods, especially if they contain certain additives that need more time to fully bond and develop their scent. It is important to refer to the instructions provided by the wax manufacturer or consult a candle making guide for your guidance on the recommended curing time for your specific candle. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. As always, before you leave, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to help me bring you more content. Also, turn on your notifications when I upload more videos. You can visit Ada's Dream to see and purchase any of the luxury candles that I also provide. Oh, wait a minute. Had to blow out the candles, safety first. See you guys next time.